It's Miss Wilson. It is Monday, October 26th, and you should be watching this during class with the sub. The first thing you should be watching is this and then completing the quizzes. So let me go over what's expected of you today. Remember, you're following through this Edpuzzle, and it is going to be counted as a grade. So the first thing is tomorrow, on Tuesday and Wednesday, you have your unit test. It is 20 questions. Each question is worth 2 points. So it's a 40-point test, and it is worth 40% of your grade. This can help a lot of you, especially if you have a lot of missing work and you just haven't done it. This test could potentially raise that F to a D or that D to a C. So make sure you're studying. As you can see right here, this is the quizzes. I don't like that they posted it yet already, but it's there. The Red Ribbon Spirit Week is there. And then here is the Segment 1 study guide. It is 64 questions. I know it is long. You do not need to complete this, but if you want to study tonight for the test, this is the perfect way to do that. You answer the questions, and at the very end, it's going to tell you what you got wrong. Now, the first thing you're going to do in class today on Monday is you're obviously watching this Edpuzzle. You're going to answer the questions within Edpuzzle, and again, it is going to be worth a grade. Everyone knows how to get to Edpuzzle, but the sub will let you know, as well as there's going to be another announcement right here. I know it's kind of silly me telling you this. Sorry, guys. Emmy's outside the door and she wants to come inside, and she cannot. This is also going to be in Loom just in case. But the Edpuzzle link will be here on the stream, as will the quizzes. So once you finish the Edpuzzle, you're going to go to the quizzes and you're going to take the quizzes link. You can repeat the quiz as many times as you like until you get 100. Those who do repeat and who get those hundreds, we will probably be giving some extra credit on the unit tests. So make sure you're doing the quizzes and you're really trying your best. Other than that, there's not much you're going to be doing. It's a short class. Please be respectful to the sub. I'm expecting your cameras to be on the entire time. I am expecting you to behave the way you would if I was there. The quizzes is the participation grade. I can look to see who's even completed it. I can look to see who started it. Same with the Edpuzzle. So for both of those, you are going to be required to complete both the Edpuzzle and the quizzes. All right. If you do not, you are going to lose participation points, and I am going to be reaching out to our learning directors, our LDs, and letting them know that you did not participate. And I'll also be reaching out to your parents. I know I've been a little laxed with some of you not completing assignments during class, but this is taking it one step above because it is a sub. So if you do not complete either of these assignments, or you only do one and not the other, whichever, I will be reaching out to your parents on Tuesday and Wednesday and letting them know that you are not participating in class. So yeah, I hope you all have a very, very happy Monday. I will see you all tomorrow and on Wednesday. And as a reminder, Red Ribbon Spirit Week is this week. Today was our red and blue spirit. Now, obviously, I'm not there to see. However, if you send me a picture via email showing me that you wore your red and blue spirit, I will put you on the candy list. Tomorrow, Tuesday, is tie-dye or neon day. Again, if I see you over Zoom, you'll get put on the candy list. But if I don't have you that day, send me a selfie and I will get you on the candy list. Wednesday is Sports Day Jersey Day. Same thing. If I see you over Zoom, I'll put you on the list. If not, send me a selfie. Thursday is Fandom Day. And some of you were a little confused about what Fandom Day is. It's when you're involved in a group of fans. It's fans coming together and loving something. You see it, Disney. Disney is a big fandom. Star Wars, Marvel, Star Trek, all of those are fandoms. Games have fandoms, so there's a big Fortnite fandom. And then Friday is your pink day for breast cancer awareness. Again, if I don't see you in class on a specific day, but you dressed up, send me a selfie and I'll put you on the candy list. Other than that, I hope everyone participates in Red Ribbon Week. Remember, be happy, be brave, and be drug-free. All right, and I will see everybody on Tuesday and Wednesday. Oh, one last thing. So for the test, and I will go over this again on Tuesday and Wednesday, but for the test, you take the test, you finish, grades are going to be released right away. Right away, you're going to get your grade back. Now, you're not going to see missed questions, but you are going to see your grade. If you got below a 60, I am 100% requiring you to come to intervention on Wednesday after school. We will review, we will study, and then you can retake the test during intervention on Thursday. Now, if you got higher than a 60, you can still attend, but the max we're raising grades up to is a 70. Now, that means for those of you who have 80s, 90s, 100s on the test, obviously you shouldn't be retaking them. If you're upset with your score and you got like maybe in the 70s or in the 80s, talk to me. We'll work something out where we can make sure we're going to, bump your grade up a bit for doing some work. But really, intervention is going to be for those students who got below a 70, definitely below a 60, because a 60 is the F range. So if you get an F, you have to attend intervention on Wednesday and then retake your test on Thursday. So for 4th and 6th period, that means you may not know until right before intervention. So that is where we are with that. And then as a reminder, tomorrow, October 27th, is the last day for late work. You have until midnight to turn them in. If you're having issues with submitting late work, you need to let me know. Now, normally Mondays, there would be intervention. You can come and show me pictures via Zoom. Obviously, I can't be at that intervention due to my procedure, but what I'm going to do is, if you have late work ready and you're just not having a good time with Google Classroom, you're having a hard time figuring out how to submit, send me an email and we will work something out where I will accept it probably on Wednesday or Thursday or Friday over a Zoom. All right, so everyone behave. I will miss you guys. Enjoy the quizzes, enjoy the Ed puzzle, and I will see you guys soon.